previous lecture we have completed chapter number 14 part 2 and discussed about bar graphs. Today we are going to start part 3 and we'll discuss about telemarks. So let's begin. Let us start with the first topic of today. What is telechart? A telechart is just one method to collect data using telemarks. Telemarks are frequencies, observations and total number of times it has been occurred. So now let us see here. A telechart is a quick and easy way to count how many are there in each category. It is an easy way to count how many are there in each category. We represent each item as a vertical stroke. Each item is being represented as vertical stroke and every fifth observation is represented by crossing the 4 strokes diagonally. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strokes are vertical and 5th stroke will be diagonal. Example, the scores obtained in 20 throws of a dice are, so here you can see the observations are written 20 times this dice is being thrown. So now let us make the telemark. Prepare the frequency table for the above scores. So students, what is the meaning of frequency? The number of times a particular observation occurs in the data is known as frequency. The number of times particular observations occurred in the data is known as frequency. For example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 to 6 numbers are there. First let us write here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 is occurring how many times? 1, 2, 3. This is occurring 3 times. 2 is occurring how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5. 3 is occurring how many times? 1, 2, 3. What all numbers we have used? We have cut it. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. 5, 1, 2. So write here 2. 6, 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. So now let us add them. 5 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. Plus 2, 17. Plus 3, 20. Total is 20. So now let us make the telemarks. So here first frequency is 3. 1, 2, 3. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2, 3. So I hope students this telemark is clear. Whenever you have fifth observation. So how you do? 4 vertical strokes and fifth will be your diagonal stroke and so on. Draw telemarks. So here you can see table is given where fruits are written and frequency is given. What is frequency? The number of times a particular observation occurs in a data is called frequency. So here fruit is mango and frequency is 7. So let us draw the telemarks for it. For 7 we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Papaya 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grapes 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So these are the sets of 5, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Orange 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Apple 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I hope students now you are able to draw telemarks. It is very easy. You simply have to draw the lines. Whenever fifth number comes, multiples of 5 you can say. 5, 10, 15, 20. You simply have to cut the diagonal. Question number 3. Consider a garden with lots of flowers. Ria has different types of flower pots which are given in the table below. So in this table you can see name of the flower and number of pots are given. So rose are 3, lily 4, jasmine 4, tulip 5 and 5, 10, daisy 2, violet 1. So on the basis of this table, let us answer the following questions. A part, how many daisy flower pots are there? Daisy flower pots are 2. So right here 2. B bar, which two flowers have same number of pods? So which two flowers have same number of pods? Lily and jasmine, that is 4. So right here lily and jasmine. Now C part, which flower has the maximum number of pods? So maximum number of pods are tulip. Tulip flower has maximum number of pods. How much? That is 10. So I hope students now you are able to answer the questions by reading these tables where telemarks are written instead of numbers. So now what is pictograph? A pictograph is a representation of data using images or symbols. When we use images or symbols, that is known as pictograph. In this picture you can see we have taken images of apple. So this is an example of pictograph. A picture graph is also known as pictograph. Picture graph is also known as pictograph. Pictograph. Pic means picture, picture graph. So now each image picture stands for a certain number of things. So here in example you can see where we have drawn apple. It stands for a certain number of things. Example, apple sold. So here is a pictograph of how many apples were sold at the local shop over 4 months. So they are showing apples, how many it was sold over 4 months at local shop. So students, note that here each picture of an apple, it means 10 apples. And each picture of half apple means 5 apples. So here the pictograph is showing in January 10 number of apples were sold. In February 40 numbers of apples were sold. In March 25 number of apples were sold. How 25? As there are 2 big apples, that is for 10 plus 10 20, and 1 half apple, that is for 5 apple. So 20 plus 5 25 apples. And April 20 apples were sold. So I hope students now you are able to read the pictograph. So let us do some more questions to screen.
So now question is, the pictograph given below expresses the number of persons who travel from Varanasi to New Delhi by Shiva Ganga Express on each day of a week. So this pictograph you can see weeks are written from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And one smiley represents 100 persons. So now we have to see how many number of persons travel from Varanasi to New Delhi. So on Sunday, 600 persons travel, as one smiley represents 100 persons. On Monday, 800, Tuesday, 500, Wednesday, 400, Thursday, 1000, Friday, 900 and Saturday, 700. So now answer the question, on which day was there maximum rush in the train? So on Thursday there was maximum rush in the train. How many number of persons were there? 1000. Next question, on which day was there minimum rush in the train? So minimum rush was there on Wednesday and number of persons travelled were 400. Third part, find the difference between the number of travellers who travelled in maximum and minimum numbers. So students, maximum was on Thursday, that is 1000, and minimum was on Wednesday, that is 400. So we have to find out the difference between maximum and minimum. So 1000 minus 400, that is equal to 600. So difference is equal to 600.
Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you are understood good in maths class. So chapter number 14, part 3, telemarks and pictograph questions we have completed. Practice all these questions at home. Now continue in our next class. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye-bye.